Right, so I want to deal with this wiring. It's already been offside rear switches. One thing I am going to do when I put this all back together is I'm actually going to swap these switches round. Because at the minute I can understand the logic. Obviously the lower ones, if you're looking at the switch like that, they're the front windows, they're the back ones. But actually when you're driving the car, when you're actually sitting here, the top ones should be, I feel. So I'm going to actually swap those round when I come to do it.